Now, in the previous video, I mixed this just over 10-1. But today I want to put it into this pump foam sprayer. This is from Kashemi, but it doesn't really matter. So I want to see how this product mixed 10-1. You really can't see it there, sorry. And we're just going to see how it pumps up. I'm going to give it a little shake just before I pour it in to make sure it's emulsified properly. Should be fine, but it's always good to shake up at a time. Put this cap back on. The product has a nice, pleasant, clean smelling experience. So this door panel definitely needs some TLC. I'm not sure what can pick up. Camera that will pick up. Don't have any tape, so I'm just going to do maybe a little section over here. Kind of use this as a little divider for a 50-50. The product, we got a foam brush. I'm just going to wow, that foams up really, really well. Put some foam on there too, so you guys can see how well it foams.